sending to cloud@tecnosoft.eu the email and the name with which you want your administrator profile to be created and the loggers to be associated with your company's cloud, your administrator account will be created on Nebula Of Data, from which you will receive an email with your username. And after clicking on Login, a window will open in the browser where you can set your access password. Click on Set to set the password and to log in. Once you logged in, it will be possible to change the language and unit of measurement. Just click on your name on the top right, then on Preferences and change the settings. Then click on OK to confirm the changes. The cloud is divided in 3 sections: Dashboard, where you can find all the missions information; Loggers, where you can see the list of the logger associated with your company's cloud. They are colored matched, because in the graph every logger is shown with its own color. And User Management, where there is a list of users who can use the cloud. To add a new user, click on Add User and then Add New User. Enter the name, email and role, Administrator, Advanced or Standard, in the relevant fields. It is also possible to choose what loggers assigned to the user from the loggers connected to your company. After clicking on Submit, the user will appear in the list. The dashboard displays all the missions, from the completed ones to the failed ones. If a mission has been started in real time and is still active, just click under Details to see its data in real time. You can also download the mission report by clicking on the image below Reports and by selecting the Excel, CVS or PDF format before clicking on Download. To be able to associate your devices to Nebula Of Data Cloud, it will be necessary to change some settings in your Bluetrace app. From the menu, go to Settings, press the arrow pointing down in the cloud, select Node, and then you will need to enter the email and password associated to your Nebula Of Data account. After that, press Login, and from now on, you will be connected to the cloud.